Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get XDC on Ledger. First, ensure your Ledger device is updated to the latest firmware version. This step is crucial for security and compatibility. Next, install the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. It's the primary interface for managing your crypto assets. Finally, prepare your device by connecting it to your computer and unlocking it with your PIN. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a smooth XDC setup. Now let's connect your Ledger device to Ledger Live. Use a USB cable to link your hardware wallet to your computer. Once connected, open Ledger Live and navigate to the Manager section. Here, you can browse and install various cryptocurrency applications. Search for XinFin XDC in the app catalog. Confirm the installation on your Ledger device itself. This process installs the necessary software for your Ledger to interact with the XDC network securely. With the XDC app installed, you're ready to receive tokens. First, open the XinFin application on your Ledger device. Then, in Ledger Live, select the Receive option and choose your XDC account. Ledger Live will then display your unique XDC receiving address. It is vital to carefully verify that the address shown on your computer screen matches the one displayed on your Ledger device. This ensures your funds are sent to the correct, secure address. Once you have verified your receiving address, you can send XDC from an exchange or another wallet directly to your Ledger. For added security, it's always a good practice to send a small test amount, perhaps 1 XDC, to confirm the transaction goes through successfully before sending larger sums. Your XDC will then be securely stored on your Ledger device. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. You can view your XDC balance and manage transactions within Ledger Live, ensuring full control over your assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.